Hello everyone and welcome to Mahadev classes. In our previous lectures we learned some basic rules of maths to understand this BODMAS method very easily, and those rules are here. See, addition subtraction rule, and the last one was division multiplication rule. Okay, whenever there will be a equal symbol you have to do the process of addition, and in the resulting answer you have to put the symbol of a bigger number. Similarly, whenever you find this different symbol, then you have to do the process of subtraction, and in the resulting answer you have to put the symbol of a bigger number. And now in this division multiplication rule, what you have to do is to remove two bracket, you have to change the symbols only. Okay, whenever there is a minus symbol before the bracket, then to remove this bracket you have to change the symbol of every number inside that bracket. Okay, now without wasting time, let's start the question number 1 of our BODMAS method. See, question number 1, 35 divided by 7 multiplied by 2 bracket over, plus inside the bracket 8 plus 16 divided by 4. Okay, so now we simply just do the process of DMAS inside those bracket first. Okay, see, here you can see that 35 divided by 7, we have to follow our DMAS, which is, see, D means division, M means multiplication, M means addition, and S means subtraction. Okay, so first of all we will go for that D. Okay, see, division symbol is between 35 and 7. So first of all we will do the process of division. See, 35 divided by 7. 7 5 is 35. See, 5, and the rest of these things will be as it is. See, 5 multiplied by 2. In bracket there is a plus sign. Now in another bracket there is a 8 and plus. And now see, 16 divided by 4. So 4 4s are 16. See, okay, now we done that division process, and now go for the another one, which is M, multiplication. And here multiplication symbol is between 5 and 2. See, 5 2s are 10. Okay, in bracket we got that 10. Now plus, and here there is no any symbol of division or multiplication, so here only plus and minus signs are left, so we will follow this rule. Okay, see, this 4 is having plus sign, this 8 is having plus sign also, so you can see that here is a equal symbol, then you have to do the process of addition, and in the resulting answer you have to put the symbol of a bigger number. See, 8 plus 4 you will get 12, and which is a plus 1. And now see, if there is no sign before the bracket, see, if there is no sign before the bracket, it means it will be a plus sign. Always remember this. Okay, so now whenever there will be a plus sign, it means to remove the bracket there will be no changes of sign inside this bracket. So plus, and to remove this bracket we will write simply 10 as it is. See, and now before this bracket we are having plus sign, so there will be no changes in symbols, so we will simply write here plus 12 is plus 12. Now we have removed all those brackets and we reached here, and now you all can see that 10 plus 2, they are both are having equal symbols. Then you have to do the process of addition, and in the resulting answer you have to put the symbol of a bigger number. See, 12 plus 10, you will get 22, and the 12 is the bigger number and it is having a plus sign. So in our resulting answer we will simply put the symbol of a plus. So here we got the answer of our this BODMAS question. Now go for the another one. See, 10 plus 25 in bracket 75 divided by 15 plus 5 bracket over divided by 25. So to solve this question we have to follow our DMAS rule. Okay, first of all we will do that process of do the process of DMAS in our this bracket first. See, first of all we will go for this D. 75 divided by 15. So you all know that 15 5s are 75, and the rest of the things will be as it is. 10 plus 25 in bracket 75 divided by 15, you will get 5. 15 5s are 75, and plus 5 bracket over divided by 25. Okay, now in this bracket there will be no any sign of division or multiplication, so we will simply go for this rule. Okay, see, 5 is having plus sign, similarly this 5 is having also a plus sign. Here you all can see that they are having equal symbol. Then do the process of addition. See, 10 plus 25 in bracket 5 plus 5, you will get 10 divided by 25. Okay, now understand this thing first. See, whenever there will be a bracket still left there, then you have to do the process of this multiplication here. See, first of all you have to do that multiplication of 25 and 10. Okay, and then we will go for this division process. 10 plus 25 tens are, we will get 250. And now we have removed that bracket. Now divided by 25. Okay, now there will be no bracket, so we will simply follow the rule of D mass. And now first of all we will go for that D symbol, which is division. See, you can see that the division symbol is between 250 and 25. You all know that 25 tens are 250, so simply we will write here 10. Okay, and now there is no any other sign like division and multiplication, so we will simply do the process of addition and subtraction. See, 10 is having plus sign and this 10 has no sign before it, so we will simply write it here plus sign. Now here you all can see that equal symbol, then you have to do the process of addition. 10 plus 10, you will get 20, and put the symbol of a bigger number. Both are equal number, so you can write any symbol of that number. Okay, so this was the answer of our given board mass question. Okay, now go for the another question. Question number 3. See, 25 multiplied by 6 divided by in bracket 48 divided by 8 minus 3 bracket over plus 3. So first of all we will apply our D mass rule in this bracket. Okay, and the rest of the thing will be as it is. See, 25 multiplied by 6 divided by, and now in this bracket go for that D first. See, where is the division symbol? You can see that the division symbol is between 48 and 8. Okay, so simply we will do the process of divide 48 divided by 8. 8 6 are 48. So our answer is 6, and this minus 3 bracket over plus 3. Okay, now there is no other sign of division or multiplication, so we will simply do the process of addition and subtraction. See, 25 multiplied by 6 divided by in bracket, here 3 is having minus sign and there is no sign before this 6. Okay, so it is a plus 1. Now you all can see that this is the plus and this is the minus, so different symbol subtraction. See, 6 minus 3, you will get 3. Okay, and the symbol of a bigger number. 6 is the bigger number and 6 is having plus symbol, so we will put here plus 3. Okay, the bracket is over and now plus 3. Okay, now see, there is a divide symbol before this bracket. Okay, so just don't worry, and here you can see that there is a plus 3. So simply you have to do the process of 6 divided by plus 3. Okay, it doesn't matter whether you write here plus symbol or not. Okay, so simply you can see that it is a 6 divided by 3. Okay, 25 multiplied by 6 divided by 3 plus 3. Okay, now follow that D mass rule again. See, 6 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6. 25 multiplied by 3 2s are 6 and plus 3. Okay, now go for that multiplication. 25 multiply by 2, you will get 25 to the 50 and then plus 3. Both are having equal symbol, then you have to do the process of addition. 50 plus 3, you will get 53, and in our resulting answer we will put the symbol of a bigger number. 50 is a bigger number and 50 is having plus sign, so in our resulting answer we will also put a plus symbol. So this was the answer of our given board mass question. And now go for the last question. See question number 4. In bracket 10 plus 15 divided by 3 minus 5 bracket over and minus, and in bracket 36 divided by 6 multiply by 2 plus 3 minus 5 bracket over plus in bracket 3 minus 7 plus 10. Okay, so simply we will apply our D mass rule in each and every bracket separately. See, first of all, see, go for that D. Okay, where are the division symbols? See, here and here. Okay, so first of all we will do the process of addition. First of all we will do the process of division. 10 plus 15 divided by 3, you will get 3 5s are 15 and minus 5 bracket over. Now here minus in bracket 36 divided by 6, 6 6s are 36, so we will simply write here 6, then multiply by 2 plus 3 minus 5 plus in bracket 3 minus 7 plus 10. Okay, now we done the process of division, and now go for that M, which is multiplication. Okay, where are the multiplication symbols? See, it is only here, 6 multiplied by 2. So we will simply do the process of multiplication in between 6 and 2. 6 2s are 12. 10 plus 5 minus 5 bracket over minus in bracket 6 2s are 12, here plus 3 minus 5 plus in bracket 3 minus 7 plus 10 bracket over. So now there are no any division and multiplication symbols are left, so we will simply do the process of addition and subtraction of each and every bracket separately. See, first of all we will do that process here. See, this 5 is having minus symbol, this 5 is having plus symbol, and this 10 is having plus symbol. So we will go from this to this. Here is the plus sign and this is also having a plus sign, equal symbol, then do the process of addition. 10 plus 5, you will get 15 and minus 5 bracket over, minus in other bracket. See, 12 is having plus sign, this 3 is having plus sign also, so equal symbol addition. 12 plus 3, you will get 15 and is minus 5. Okay, now plus in another bracket. See, this 3 is having a plus symbol and this 7 is having minus symbol, so different symbol we have to do the process of subtraction, and in the resulting answer we will put the symbol of a bigger number. 7 minus 3, you will get 4, and 7 is the bigger number and 7 is having a minus symbol, that's why in our resulting answer we will put here minus. Okay, and now the rest one is plus 10. Okay, now go for this. This 5 is having minus sign, this 15 is having plus sign, so here also different symbol, then we have to do the process of subtraction. 15 minus 5, you will get 10. Okay, and now 15 is a bigger number and it is having plus sign, so we will put here plus 10. Okay, and now minus, and in another bracket, see, we can write it in a bracket 2. 15 is having plus, this 5 is having minus, so different symbol, subtraction. 15 minus 5, you will get 10, and in our resulting answer we will put the symbol of a bigger number. 15 is a bigger number and it is having a plus sign, so in our resulting answer we will also put a plus sign. Now this plus and in bracket minus 4 plus 10, different symbol, subtraction. 10 minus 4, you will get 6, and in the resulting answer we will put the symbol of a bigger number. 10 is the bigger number and 10 is having a plus sign, so in our resulting answer we will also put here a plus sign. Okay, now to remove this bracket, okay, see very carefully, to remove this bracket what you have to do. See, here before this bracket it is a plus sign. Okay, because there is a no sign, it means it is a plus sign, so whenever there is a plus sign there will be no changes inside that number. See, plus plus there will be no changes. So we will simply write here plus, like plus 10. See, plus plus, then we will simply put plus. Okay, now this one, there is a minus sign before that bracket, and now so therefore to remove bracket we will change the symbol. So here is a plus 10, then after removing this bracket we will write minus 10, or else see, minus plus. See, our division multiplication rule, minus plus, minus plus minus. So we will write here minus 10. Okay, and now there is a plus symbol before the bracket, so there will be no changes inside that number of bracket. Okay, see, plus plus, plus plus plus, so we will simply write only plus symbol and then 6. Okay, now we have removed all those brackets, and now go for only addition subtraction rule. This 10 is having plus sign and this 10 is having minus sign. Okay, so we will do the process of subtraction. In between this 10 and this 10 you will get 10 minus 10 0, and there is no any particular sign like plus or minus. Okay, so we will simply write 0 only, and there is a plus 6 is left. So now 0 plus 6 you will get 6. Okay, so this is the answer of our given BORDMAS simplification question.